Hello, how are you? I'm Rafael Lopez, founder of PC Dr. SA in Ecuador and InnerChispa LLC in the United States. Welcome to my development for Track 1 Maestro case in the UiPath AgentHack 2026. In our daily work as an MSP, we manage critical field operations, quotes, infrastructure, and technical inspections. In this ecosystem, traditional chatbots are useless. Uncontrolled generative AI disrupts technical inspections and business rules. We don't need a conversational bot. We need architectural governance, a system capable of guiding a case through stages, applying hard logic gates when rules fail, and centralizing human approval. That's why we built PC Dr. Maestro Copilot Sovereign Field Case AI. To be very honest, the initial learning curve with UiPath Maestro Case, had its level of complexity. It's not a traditional linear RPA environment where you just open and run. I had to absorb a lot of new concepts: lifecycle state modeling, API configuration for the workflow, the provisioning of OAuth tokens, management in Action Center. However, deciphering its architecture reveals its true value. Maestro isn't an executor robot, it's the business's conductor. Each phrase in the case triggers precise asynchronous events, and if the backend validations respond successfully, Maestro safely advances the lifecycle. That's where we connect our local execution engine. Let's move forward with development. Our core philosophy is data sovereignty. To speed up this development, we use the cursor design tool. I completely changed my mindset. I let the automated agents structure all the technical boilerplate, the fast API endpoints, the MongoDB connections, and the dashboard rendering, while I focus strictly on the architecture, integration logic, and stress testing. Now let's take a look at the technical core and then how it was created in Maestro Case. As you can see here, the core of the project strictly implements the 4 native stages of Maestro Case: intake, investigation, remediation, and approval. Intake: ingestion and parsing of the field exception. Investigation: context enrichment by consulting the history in MongoDB. Remediation: criticality analysis and proposals using local Llama. And finally, approval, which is the mandatory human verification, the human in the loop. When I run a start job, Maestro automatically initializes the case from UiPath Cloud and triggers an API workflow that sends a structured post to our webhook in ngrok. The server processes the logic, persists the states, and updates the case in the cloud using the UiPath API. As you can see on the panel, a single automated cycle can resolve the validation end-to-end, taking the progress from 0 to 100% in a deterministic way. To demonstrate the robustness of the system, what did we do? We created 4 specific cases, operational queries connected to our database, in which you can view and test any of them. We are going to use the ProBalsa case. This is exactly what the RUC deduplication does. This scenario detects an attempt to register a client whose tax ID already exists in the system. The gate immediately aborts the operation, mitigating the corruption of field cases. As you can see in real time, we have here a log that automatically detects problems and stops. You can also test any of the 4 cases and you will see that everything is working perfectly, so you can try it out. And we also have here a panel where you can see how we make the most of the community license. We achieved a perfect scorecard of 12 integrated technologies, ranging from Maestro orchestration, API flows, Action Center for critical decisions, to Agent Builder exposing our ingestion API, document understanding, and the operator experience integrating direct push alerts to WhatsApp through Evolution API, allowing field administrators to react to critical incidents in real time from anywhere. This project demonstrates that combining UiPath as an enterprise governance layer with code development agents and sovereign data architectures is the right way to scale secure IT operations. All our code is open and documented on GitHub. Many thanks to the jury and to UiPath for organizing this agent hack. This is PC Dr. Maestro Copilot, real governance and intelligence on the playing field. Until next time.